Hello, I'm Claire from Love Finance. Are you thinking about purchasing an investment property? Do you know where to start? This is something that I love to help my clients with. The great Australian dream of owning your own property is changing. Once upon a time, we worked hard, bought our own home, lived in it for many years, paid it off, and that's all we did. Today, there's a thing called rent investing, and what is happening is more young ones are actually staying at home and they're buying their first property. And what that's doing is helping them actually grow their wealth sooner than what a lot of us did many, many years ago. There is a particular methodology around purchasing that investment property. Some of the important things that you need to know about that area is how many people are actually investors that are living in that area. If you're buying a particular block of units, how many people are actually owner-occupied versus investment? What's the government spending going to be in that area? What are the schools like? There are so many things that you need to know about purchasing the right investment property that will best suit your needs. What I see time and time again is so many people actually get a property by default, an investment property by default, by turning their existing home into an investment property. And sometimes that's not always the best strategy. One of the great things about having an investment property is getting somebody else to help you pay it off, so that's your tenant, and also possibly get some really good tax deductions. If you want to know more about rent investing or purchasing your first investment property, just give me a call. Claire at Love Finance, 0418 299 370.